In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a transparent PNG in Cinema 4D. If you've ever needed a render that sits cleanly on top of a website, a video, or a design without any unwanted background, this is exactly what you're after. A transparent PNG preserves your subject and lets the background stay invisible, so whatever you place it over will show through naturally. First, head to your render settings. You can open this from the top toolbar or by clicking the render settings icon. This is where Cinema 4D decides what the final image will look like and how it will be saved. Inside the settings, find the Save section and make sure it's enabled. Turning this on tells Cinema 4D to write out an actual file instead of just previewing the render. Next, choose PNG as your format. PNG is ideal here because it supports transparency natively and keeps your image crisp without compression artifacts. With PNG selected, the crucial option you need is called Alpha Channel. Make sure the Alpha Channel box is checked. The Alpha Channel is a grayscale map that tells your image which areas are visible and which are transparent. Without it, Cinema 4D will fill the empty space with a solid color, and you'll lose that cutout effect you're expecting. Before you render, take a quick look at your scene to ensure nothing is forcing a background into the image. Common culprits include a background object, a background plate, or a dome light that's showing a solid color. If any of those are visible to the camera, they'll show up in your final PNG, even with the Alpha Channel enabled. If you need those elements for lighting or reference, then that's fine. Simply hide or disable anything you don't want to appear in the final render so the Alpha can do its job. When everything looks good, go ahead and render. With PNG selected and the Alpha Channel box checked, the output will contain transparency wherever there's no geometry. You'll know it worked when you bring the file into your editing or design app and the background shows through cleanly. Some image viewers display transparency as a checkerboard. That's normal and just a visual cue that the pixels are transparent. To recap, the keys are simple: enable save, select PNG, and check Alpha Channel, and make sure your scene isn't introducing a background you don't want. Follow those steps and you'll get clean, ready to composite renders every time.